Welcome back, Crypto Farm community. I am your host, and today we're going to be diving down into the Cave NFT collection. It is literally about to launch in a couple days, and a lot of people are joining the Twitter and they are joining the Discord. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So as you guys can see, it states the Cave, the Casual Cavemen VIP 111 collection releasing May the 4th. So we have 2 days, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure that you guys follow them, especially here on Twitter. The Discord link is right here. We'll talk more about that here in just a few moments. We currently have a total of 1,173 followers, and they recently just joined in February. All right, let's go ahead and scroll down here. You guys can see where it states, huge news, Cavemen. Who wants free NFTs? The 111 VIP collection minting May the 4th. How's that for utilities? So free NFTs, all holders in this VIP collection would get a free NFT of even future collections. That is a big statement. So basically what they're stating right now, ladies and gentlemen, is that if you get into this NFT collection, that you're going to have an opportunity to get free NFTs even in the future whenever they make new collections. So I like the fact that they are willing to provide this as a utility. All right, if we continue to the downside, someone has stated just the beginning, V2 with Cave Woman coming soon. So we have Cavemen, and now we're going to be expecting some Cave Woman. I love this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and dive right into the Discord. The link is right here. Very important that you guys are part of this. All right. Now, once you guys get into the Discord, you guys will see over here that they have many different chat rooms. But the most important ones that you need to pay attention, I'm going to cover in just a second. So right now we are in the official links. You guys can see that they do have a TikTok. They do have an Instagram. They do have the Twitter, obviously, right? And then obviously they have the Discord. So these are some important links that you guys need to be part of. I do not see anywhere for a website, but maybe in the future they will have one. If we go ahead and dive down into the roadmap, you can see where it states the official roadmap artwork for collection number 1. This was posted just a few months ago. So for the roadmap, we got free merch. We got free NFT ticks plus gift cards. We got food collectibles for free NFTs. And then we have early access to collection number 2 with Cave Women. Now remember, you guys, if you get into the first NFT collection, which is Cavemen, then you're going to be able to receive free NFT collections in the future, which means there's a good possibility you're going to be able to get yourself a free Cave Woman. All right. So if you guys will, be sure to leave some emojis here to show that you have checked everything out. Now, if we go ahead and continue, we do have some other important information here. So we do have the Cavemen info that you guys need to pay attention to. It states that my name is Justin and I get my artistic background from running a small shoe customizing business for several years. That's why you can even spot a free pair of custom Air Force being given out on the utility list for the first VIP collection. Once I discovered the NFT space about a year ago, I knew that this was for me. I have given 200% to this project and can't wait to take this to the moon. So whenever it comes to the utilities, you guys can see where it talks about that all 111 of these hand-drawn unique cavemen will come with free merchandise and more. Also, the 222 legendaries will receive free NFTs in the next collection. Whether that next collection is of 1,100, will be more cavemen and women or possibly dinosaur pets. All holders also receive whitelist spots for the next collection. That is big. So additional rewards can be found in the VIP utilities, which we'll take a look at in just a few moments. Then after that, we got project release date. Obviously, that is going to be on May the 4th. Then for the prices, these NFTs are currently planning to be sold at 0.09 Ethereum each. With optimized gas, the total cost should just be around 0.1 Ethereum. So we're talking about $300 a caveman. The casual cavemen are here for a long run and will continue to grow this awesome community in the cave. We cannot wait to get the first collection into your hands, and our hype for the future has in store. All love, cave dwellers. So make sure you guys show some reactions here to be part of the community. If we go ahead and continue after that, we do have VIP utilities. So you guys will see that they actually have many different utilities here that they have to offer. So number one, all NFT holders will receive free Cavemen merchandise. Number two, all 222 holders will receive a free NFT of the next collection. Number three, if you get a Fortnite 1 of 1, you will get a gift card for 5,000 V-Bucks. Then after that, number four, if you get Fear of Dinosaurs Cavemen, you will get a 1 of 1 Fear of Dinos hoodie to match your NFT. Then number five, if you get the Chef Cavemen, you would get $50 DoorDash gift card. Number six, if you get Joe Burrow Cavemen, you would get free NFL ticks up to 1K. Number seven, if you get the Pizza Caveman, you will get $50 of gift card of place of your choice. I imagine that one would be for pizza, but it's okay. Anyways, if you get the Sombrero Caveman, you will get $50 Taco Bell gift card. If you get the Terminator Caveman, you'll get $50 Regal gift card. I would love to have that. If you get a snowboard 1 of 1, you'll get $50 Dick's gift card. If you get a Donut Caveman, you'll get $50 Dunkin' gift card. So ladies and gentlemen, there's many different utilities here, especially whenever it comes to gift cards. If you guys would like to, be sure you guys check all of this out. All right, if we go ahead and continue, you guys will be able to see some giveaways. Not only that, but sneak peeks, latest announcements. Very important that you guys pay attention. It states that the votes are in. The mint date is going to be on May the 4th. So overall, I have to admit, you guys, I like everything that they have to offer. You guys can see I just asked right here, is there a website? Yes, our minting website will be released on the day of mint. So once you guys join the community, you need to be part of that. As for our landing website, that will be created as we getting to fulfill the roadmap and prepare for V2 collection. So ladies and gentlemen, awesome to hear this. All right. So if you guys would like to leave some comments down below and tell us what you think, are you going to be joining in on this collection? You guys have a great day. We'll see you later, and ciao.